there, my name is Cassie and welcome to Tool Tuesday. Today I'm going to be talking to you about our Shopbot CNC Router. CNC actually stands for Computer Numerical Control. So the Shopbot CNC Router is a hand router on 3 axes that we program using our CAD/CAM program vCarve. So before we can actually do anything, cut anything on our Shopbot CNC router, we have to create our file on vCarve. So when we're setting up our file, we need to know the dimensions of our material that we're going to cut on. So this, we have 13.5 and about 24. So I'm going to put that in my job setup. This is also where we set our origin point. So I'm going to set my origin point in the middle, and I'm going to set my Z height position on top of my material, and we'll explain a little bit more about what that means when we actually cut our piece. So now we have a blank canvas with which to import a design or design something in vCarve. I have decided to bring in our Maker Playground logo to cut, and now that I have my design completely done, this is where I would begin telling the program what to do with these individual lines. So each of these lines is made up of a mathematical equation that the computer can actually follow with our bit. This is unlike a JPEG image, which is made up of pixels. The vector images can actually be scaled infinitely and are what we need to use for our vCarve file. So up here are all of our different toolpath operations, and this is how we can actually tell the program what we want to do with these vectors. So for this file here, I'm just going to do a vCarve toolpath, which means that I am going to use a V-bit to engrave out this design. So in addition to telling the program exactly what you want the bit to do, you're also going to tell the program what bit you're using and your feeds and speeds. So now I've got this toolpath here set up. All I'm doing is vCarving this design, and then I can go ahead and click Calculate, and it will show me a preview of what it is going to do. Tune in next Tool Tuesday for when we actually set up and run that file that we just made on our CNC router. If you are interested in learning more about our CNC router, be sure to sign up for one of our classes on fishersmpg.com.